Hi guys, welcome back. It's Millie and today I'm going to be doing a summer makeup routine and hopefully these turns out really good because I haven't done these in like forever. And let's get started. I need a new primer, so as you can see I'm using the Smashbox, the little sample size photo finish primer. I kind of want to get a newer one of like a primer, but I'm not sure what to get. So if anyone has like a recommendation, please leave it in the comments below. I haven't filmed one of these right up close in my face in forever. I hope the camera is good because I'm using my actual Sony camera. I'm using the, I forgot what it's called. I think it was the AT5000, 4000, something like that, 6 maybe. I'm not even sure anymore. I have no clue what I'm talking about. Okay, so we're gonna go in with the Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. This thing is one of my favorites ever since I went to the actual store, but I got another shade. I had 3, now I have 2. Because I haven't went out like in the sun and stuff like that, and I got really pale or lighter, and I'm just gonna apply that everywhere. It looks uneven, but I'll fix it. But yeah, this is how I do it at least. And we're gonna get the little rare beauty brush. I love this thing actually because it gets in like right at the inner corner. It's really good for like concealer, as you can see, but I like this for like a foundation brush. Alright, so next we're doing concealer, and this is the Instant Age Rewind by Maybelline. I think this is one of my favorite concealers because it's so natural and yet it's so good compared to like the Tarte Shape Tape where it's really thick. Alright, there you go. Now, I always go for this compact Charlotte Tilbury, but maybe I'll switch it up today. Alright, so I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Everyone loves this. I personally haven't got like 2 attached yet because probably I only used it a little bit, but it's not my favorite. Alrighty, so next we're going to be doing my brows, and right now I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury brow cheat. They actually did like a rebranding on this one. They discontinued the older one that I loved, and then, or maybe they still have it, I'm not sure, maybe I got the wrong one, but this one is a lot creamier, I would say. Alright, so I just finished my brows. I did also put the clear brow gel. Looks a bit thick now I think of it. You know what I do? I mainly just push it up and clean it up with my fingers because I'm really lazy. But yeah, next we're going to be doing the eyes, and we're going to use the MAC Paint Pot in Painterly. Now I'm going to be taking my Bobbi Brown eye palette. It looks like this. I love this thing. It's so cute. We're going to be doing the lighter shade first. And this one's in Sugar Sand. And I'm going to put that in like the inner part of my lids right now. It's a shimmer. Put it a little bit. And then I get the darker one, or the dark brown right here, and that one's rich brown. And I like to take that towards the end and make a crease. Put it on my crease and then blend it towards the middle. Most of the product is going to be on the outer part, and I feel like this is like the easiest way to get like a smoky brown eye without having to doing so much like steps and colors. I think the weirdest part is my eye shape. Then I'm going to take this long eyeshadow shade right here, and this one's in Buttercream. I'm going to blend that out. Now I'm going to take like a more compact brush and take that darker brown again. I'm going to put that in the lower lashes. Like that. And then take my tapered brush, and we're going to use that yellow on top. It's called Ultimate Gold. I'm going to put that in the inner corner. Taking the first shade, which is Sugar Sand, I'm going to highlight my brow bone. Alright, now we're going to be moving on to eyeliner. I'm going to be taking my Stila Waterproof eyeliner. This is one of my favorites. If not, I don't know what else, because this is probably one of my favorites eyeliners in like a long time. Alrighty, now I'm going to be doing the other side off camera. Alright, so I added the Duo Glue. This one has like a silicone tip rather than the brush. I'm liking this one a little bit more than that one because it's more, the other one was more clumpier. Clumpier. Am I saying that right? More clumpy. Alrighty, holy. Alright, for some reason my audio isn't here anymore, so right now I'm going to be moving on to lips, and I'm using the NYX Butter Gloss. I'm going to link down below the color shade because I really don't know how to say it, but it's so gorgeously pink like bubblegum just for the summer. Now we're going to move on to face sprays. I don't know which one to pick, but I always go for the Matte Fix Plus or the Airbrush face spray by Charlotte Tilbury. I just got this one. It smells so good. It's so nice. If you guys haven't tried it, I would recommend it. I'll link everything that I've shown you in this video and down below, even though I'm not sponsored, but here you go. Alright, so I just finished the look, as you guys can see. Great for the freaking summer with naturalness, nothing too thick so it doesn't melt off my face. I hope you guys love it, because I did. And this is the end of this video, and I can't believe the freaking audio left. I don't know where it is, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Make sure you guys subscribe and like this video. I have no clue what I'm saying here because I filmed this like yesterday, but I'll see you guys very, very soon, and see ya. Love you guys.